People have asked me that. Why do you love curling so much? I don't know. I have a great time watching it, and I have a great time playing it. And I don't know why I picked that sport. But I don't know, I just latched on to curling, and it just kind of just took me away. In 2006. I think that was the first Olympic Games that they were on television. And I just remember seeing it and not knowing what they were doing or what it was called and not knowing how to play. And the more I watched it, the more confused I got. And so it just became, I need to know what this sport is. And by the end of it, I was just hooked on it. And then right at the end of those Olympics, a friend of mine in Oklahoma City sent me a picture that he saw a flyer and said, "You're gonna love this." And it was an advertisement for starting a league in Oklahoma City. To be honest, it wasn't like I ever went looking to play. If he hadn't shown me that, I wouldn't have gone down there to play. I wouldn't have started the league. I wouldn't be playing still.